Hi skincare lovers, so how are you? It's so hot here in Bangalore. I just took bath and I was about to do my skincare routine. I thought I'll share it with you. Last few days I've been trying this brand Ecosa, which is devoted to conscious self-care. And Ecosa's products are natural, backed by science. So first thing first, I'll share with you my bath routine. And you won't believe that I've been converted from this body wash person to soap person. And the soap that they have is really good. It has like all of these natural ingredients. The Ecosa Nature's Herb Soap has hemp for deep moisture and replenishment, neem for oil control, acne care and antibacterial defense, chura butter for intense hydration and nourishment. So it's so good. And I love storing it in this tray, the Eco Nature soap tray. It prevents the soap from becoming mushy, it's stable, handy and durable. You can also use it to hold your other accessory like sponges, razor, etc. Now let me walk through my skincare routine of 5 essential steps. Number 1 is Gentle Cleanser. This Micro Defend Cleanser from Ecosa removes all traces of makeup and impurities without that tight, stripped feeling. So I start with slightly damp hands and work the cleanser into light leather. The key is to using light upward circular motions. I spend around 60 seconds massaging it in, focusing my attention on T-zone where I tend to get congested. I always make sure that I'm cleansing my face with lukewarm water, never hot. This cleanser helps in oil control, restores skin's balance and immunity. You know, the most underrated step is using a toner. The Aqua Renewal Toner from Ecosa is infused with witch hazel water, acai extract and aloe vera extract. I pour a small amount on my damp skin and gently pat it in. It improves the circulation and absorption of the toner. This toner helps in balancing the pH of the skin and improves skin elasticity. Look at that healthy glow. That's what we are looking for. The skin is looking plump and hydrated. The next step is using serum. The Glow Boost Serum from Ecosa targets pigmentation for even skin tone. It infuses the skin with deep moisture for plump, healthy look. It also combats the signs of aging, making your skin more smoother. Normally the serums feel sticky, but this Ecosa serum penetrates easily into the skin without feeling sticky. 3-4 drops of this serum are enough and wait for 30 seconds for it to get absorbed before doing the next step. Next step is something that I love doing, and that is applying sheet mask. The Ocean Bliss sheet mask from Ecosa has Irish moss extract for deep hydration and moisture retention. It also has niacinamide for brightening and pore minimization. I'm using a chilled sheet mask for extra cooling effect. I leave the sheet mask for 15 minutes, not more than that. Over masking can reverse the effects of the sheet mask. It revitalizes the skin, enhances the glow. Look at that glow, it recharges dull and tired skin. The next step is very important, and that is applying a good moisturizer. The Ecosa Hydra Soothe Moisturizer infused with aloe vera and acai extract. The moisturizer enhances and protects the skin barrier and deeply hydrates the skin, making it smooth, soft, supple and glowing. It's very lightweight and a non-greasy moisturizer. I even love doing massages after I have applied this moisturizer for instant blood circulation. So once I'm done with this routine, look at that glow. My skin looks hydrated, well moisturized and looks radiant. So this was my detailed bath and skincare routine with the brand Ecosa. I hope you liked it. I really like the products. They're really hydrating. They work on the pigmentation, will give you brighter glowing skin. I'll link everything in the description box, and you can use this code to get discount on their website. If you have any other questions, do feel free to comment down below. So what else do you want me to make a video on? Do comment that also. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.